Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. A triangle has two constant sides of length 3 feet and 5 feet. The angle between two sides is increasing at a rate of 0.1 radian per second. Find the rate at which the area of the triangle is changing when the angle between the two sides is pi over 6. Okay, so we have this one here, A and B, and they are constant. So A is 3 feet, and then B here is 5 feet. Good, and then the angle between them, so I will rename this angle here as theta here. That theta here is changing at a rate of 0.1 radian per second. So I will have d theta dt is equal to 0.1 radian per second. And then find the rate at which the area of the angle is changing. So we need to find out dA dt, but we need to find the area first. Okay, let's write the area of this triangle. What is area of the triangle? 1/2 multiplied by its base and then multiplied by its height. However, we don't have the height yet, right? We know the base is B, which is this one, but the height here is this one here, H. But then we don't know it yet. However, we have theta here, so we should able to calculate H. Okay, maybe let's do it here. If you see this part here, we have a right angle triangle. So 1, 2, 3, right? And this A is the hypotenuse, and this is H, and this is theta. And this is the opposite side, right? So we know that sine theta here is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, right? So remember the trigonometric class, hypotenuse. Okay. So we will have sine of theta here is equal to, we will have H divided by A. So we will have H here. Let's isolate for H. We will have A sine of theta. Good. So we know that this is the height, right? The height is this one here. So let's plug that in. So we will have area here. Let's denote it as A is equal to 1/2. And then the base is B. Okay. And then the height here is A sine of theta, right? So we will have A sine of theta. But then we have A here is equal to 1/2. Remember, B and A is constant. So we can just plug that in. So we'll have B is 5. And then A is 3. Multiplied by sine of theta. So we will have A here is equal to 15/2 sine of theta. Good. And I think we need to work starting from this point here. Okay, let's erase the board because our board is full now. Okay, let's clean up our slide. Okay, so now we have A. So we need to find out dA dt. So we need to take the derivative with respect to time. Take derivative of this function with respect to t. Okay, so we will have on the left hand side dA dt. And on the right hand side, we only have theta. So let's differentiate A with respect to theta first. So dA over d theta. Then multiplied by d theta over dt. And we know d theta over dt, right? It is given by the problem. And it is a constant, not a function. Okay, so that is not a problem. So we need only to find out this one. We only need to find this one. And so we will have this one here, dA dt is equal to 15/2 is a constant. And then the derivative of sine of theta is cosine of theta. And then multiplied by d theta dt. Okay, now what is the question? The question is asking us when the angle between two sides is pi/6. So that means that we need to plug in the values when theta is equal to pi/6. Okay, so let's plug that in when theta is equal to pi/6. And this is in radian, remember? Or if you want to write it in degrees, this one is 30 degrees. Okay. So what can we do from here? Let's plug the numerical values. dA dt when theta is equal to pi/6. We will have 15/2, that is a constant, and then cosine pi/6. And then multiplied by d theta dt, which is 0.1. Okay, now let's plug that in. So I'll have 15/2. Cosine of theta is 1/2 square root of 3. And then multiplied by 0.1. Okay, and I will have 1.5/4. 1.5/4 multiplied by square root of 3. And then we can multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So we will have 3/8 square root of 3. And then the unit is feet per second. Feet per second. So we know that the angle, when the rate at which the area of the triangle is changing, is 3/8 and then square root of 3 feet per second. This is the final answer for this question, or that one here. And I think that's all for this problem. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment for feedback. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.